Fix CookieRun Kingdom crashes at startup on Android. Nubstar 1. Restart your phone. Hold the power button, tap Restart, wait for phone to reboot, launch CookieRun Kingdom again. Number 2. Check internet connection. Connect to stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Restart your router if needed. Avoid weak internet connections. Try opening the game again. 3. Clear game cache. Open settings. Go to apps. Select CookieRun Kingdom. Tap storage. Press clear cache. Launch the game. Nubstar 4. Update the game. Open Google Play Store. Search for CookieRun Kingdom. Tap update if available. Restart the game after update. 5. Update Android system. Open settings. Go to software update. Tap download and install. Restart device after update. 6. Free up storage space. Open settings. Storage. Delete unused apps or files. Make at least several GB free. Relaunch the game. Number 7. Force stop background apps. Open recent apps menu. Close unnecessary apps. Free up RAM memory. Start CookieRun Kingdom again. 8. Disable battery saver mode. Open settings. Go to battery. Turn off battery saver, power saving mode. Relaunch the game. 9. Reinstall the game. Uninstall CookieRun Kingdom. Restart your phone. Download the game again from Play Store. Install fresh files. Nashker 10. Clear Google Play Services cache. Open settings. Go to apps. Google Play Services. Tap storage. Select clear cache. Restart your device. Launch the game again.